Minneapolis in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota until 11 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain 6 miles southeast of Cannon Falls, or 15 miles southwest of Red Wing, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Red Wing, Cannon Falls, Goodhue, Stanton, Welch, Frontenac, Vasa, Wakuta, Belchester, Hayter, Westado, Frontenac State Park, and Central Point. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota. Severe thunderstorm